creepy. It is creepy.
Oh my god, I just stepped on a fresh grave!
Oh my god, come on, that is like the worst luck, Ellen. You just stepped on a fresh grave.
Creepy. I just tripped on a potato.
There's no potatoes out here, you idiot. It's probably an apple for one of the apple trees. Come on. Let's get the heck out of here. Katie, stop. Oh, sorry, that's my new chainsaw ringtone. What's wrong? It's just Melanie.
You just cackled like a witch.